I've got both the 90 and the K90 Pro Max, so let's first talk about the standard version, which is the K90. As a standard model in the Redmi K series, it still shines brightly. First of all, the design style is completely that of a flagship phone, with the back glass being a single piece. The entire camera module is crafted from a singular piece of glass. If my memory serves me correctly, this represents the pinnacle of design specifications within the entire K series lineup. When it comes to the finer details, if you have observed the Xiaomi 17, it indeed adheres to the same matrix-style design characteristic of the family. The decorative R-angle and the integrated R-angle are visually harmonious, providing a sense of orderliness. My device comes in a water blue hue, which appears exceedingly attractive. The contrast between the glossy glass edge and the matte texture on the back is quite striking and remarkable. The frame is also constructed from metal, and both sides have been optimized inward, so it feels quite pleasant in hand. Furthermore, this phone isn't excessively large. With a screen size of 6.59 inches, it fits perfectly in the hand. Furthermore, the K90 also supports ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking by default. I'm not sure if there will still be phones with optical fingerprint unlocking this year, but if there are, it seems a bit excessive. As for the processor, the K90 as a standard model uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Ultimate Edition. Guys, there's not much to say about this processor. At this price point, having such a processor is quite appealing, right? Regarding the battery, the K90 uses a 7100 mAh battery capacity. In this standard model, the utilization of a battery exceeding 7,000 mAh is notably above the industry average. Speaking of which, you will discover that the K90 is a smartphone that can satisfy the needs of most users quite effectively. However, in terms of imaging capabilities, this generation has witnessed significant advancements, particularly in the standard model. The primary camera employs the Lighthunter 800 sensor, which has been meticulously fine-tuned by Xiaomi and Redmi for an extended period, correct? Its performance in low-light photography is truly exceptional. Surprisingly, this phone also incorporates a telephoto lens utilizing the OV50 sensor. This specific CMOS sensor offers a 2.5x zoom capability during actual photographic shooting. When it pertains to photography, what's even more significant is capturing portraits, and the overall portrait mode effect is surprisingly beautiful. I didn't foresee Redmi integrating a telephoto portrait lens in this standard model, which is quite commendable. While taking photographs, you can even utilize some of its filters to add a splash of color to the tone and so forth. Lastly, I would like to mention that the K90 has also collaborated with Bose for joint audio tuning. However, it additionally incorporates two exceptionally outstanding symmetrical dual speakers. Therefore, let's take a moment to experience its external audio performance. Within the system, you have the option to switch between Bose Classic or Bose Balanced styles, which are tailored to different scenarios and can achieve varied sound quality adjustments. Alright, to succinctly summarize the K90, this smartphone, as a standard model, shares numerous similarities with the Xiaomi 17, providing genuinely sincere configurations within the same market positioning. At the same time, it achieves some excellent performance in differentiated aspects, such as the Bose speakers, right? For example, it offers you an excellent screen, a great fingerprint unlock, and a decent design. Actually, when we were filming the video, we didn't really know the price of this phone, we just knew it was a very attractive price. Now that we know the price, is it still appealing?